6 minus 3, then times 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 gives us 3. And here we have again 6 minus 3, which equals 3. So 3 times 3, and this is equal to 9. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, okay, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Inside this parentheses, we have 6 minus 3, which equals 3. So we have 6 minus 3, then times 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 3 is just 9. So we have 6 minus 9, and this is equal to negative 3. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just negative 3. The correct answer is negative 3.